Music at the Ivy. Okay, kids, hands up. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Okay, kids, get ready, huh? Clap your hands. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and clap. One more time. Stop your feet. Stop. Yeah, good job. Swing your arms. Swing your arms. Shake your hands. One more time. Yeah, good, good, good. Wave your hands. Good job. Okay, kids, grab a pose. And 1, 2, 3, and pose. Good job, kids. Okay, kids, I want you to group yourselves into 2 groups. This side will be Team A, and this side will be Team B. Okay, kids? Dito tayo sa Team A. Kids, iba dito sa Team A. Then, let's all sit down in the floor. Come on, kuya, dito tayo sa other side. Yan, dito tayo ate sa Team A. Come on, kids. And let's all sit down on the floor. Okay, kids? Good job. Okay, kids, pipili si Ate Lori and Ate Ivy ng magiging team leader niya. Kids, okay? Ayan. Ate Lori, meron ka ng team leader? Okay, come on. Come on, Lala Chan, let's go to Team B. Where's your team leader, Ate Lori? Hi, Team B! Hi, Team A! Hi, Team A! Yan, Ate Lori, asan yung team leader? Hi, Ate, what's your name, Ate? What's that? Rian. Okay, kids, say hi to Ate Rian. Yan, okay, kids, let's all look to Ate Rian. Ate Rian will be your team leader. We'll Mark Jacob and Ate Rian. They will teach you how to play our games today. Okay, kids, our game for today is sock race. Sino na nakapaglaro ng sock race? Taas na kamay. Wow, madami na nakapaglaro. Okay, kids, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, let's all look our team leader. And they will teach you how to play the sock race. Okay, kids? First, kids, syempre, meron tayong sako, and then, meron tayong safety goal. Kids, ganito gagawin natin, ha? We will go inside the sock, or sako, then, hawakan natin lang, then, magkakaroon si Team B. Yan, okay, kids, let's all fall in line and arms forward. Yan, okay, kids, come on, let's all fall in line. Let's go, come on, go, stand up. Yan. Are you ready to do? Let's go. Okay, come on, let's go here at Team A. Hi, Team A! Hi, Kuya Jacob! Ayan, Kuya Jacob! Ready na ba ang Team A? Let's hear ba ang Team A? Let's hear it na! Go, Team A! Go! Go, Team A! Go, kids! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go on, kids! Carry on, team! Go on! Go on, go, go, go! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, hop! Go, 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 go! Go on, go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, go, go! Go, go, ikot ka din! Ikot, ikot! Up! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, go, go! Happy idea, how many players? 4 players, happy idea, how many players? Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, go, go! Ate Laura, how many players? 1 player na for Team B! Team A, habol tayo! Go, go, go! And we have a winner! Team B, congratulations, Team B! Team B, you have 1 point. It's Team A, habol tayo for a second round na. Come on, let's fall in line again, kids. Ate Ivy. Ate Laura, how many players sa Team B? Ate Ivy, how many players sa'yo? 7. Ate Ivy, yung ibang players natin, lipat natin sa team B. Ayan, para equal tayo. Yan. Ate Ivy, ilan na yung players mo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 players. Ate Lori, ikot ka na lang ulit ha. Okay, kids. Team A. Go, 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 go! Ate Lori, nasa team A. Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Ate Lori, nasa team A. One player left sa Team B. Go on, go, go, go! Ate Lori, go, Team A, go, Team B. Ako tayo, Team A. One player left sa Team B. Go, Ate Lori, go, go, Ate, go, go, go! And we are the winner! Team B, it's on the Team A. Teacher, best naman. Nawala yung player ng Team B. Okay lang yan, Team A. Ako lang, Team B, let's all fall in line. Go, 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 go! Ate Lori, nasa Team A. Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Ate Lori, nasa Team A. Team A, go, 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 go! One player left sa Team B. Go on, go, go, go! Ate Lori, go, Team A, go, Team B. Ako tayo, Team A. One player left sa Team B. Go, Ate Lori, go, go, Ate, go, go, go! And we are the winner! Team B, it's on the Team A. Teacher, best naman. Nawala yung player ng Team B. Okay lang yan, Team A. Ako lang, Team B, let's all fall in line. Good job. Get ready to jump, kids. And 1, 2, 3, and jump! And march! Wow! And march! Jump and jump and march! Then, and a big bow. Good job. Okay, kids, let me see your hands. Come on, let me see your hands. Then wave. Other side. Touch your shoulders. Touch your hands. And jump. Wave. Make a big circle. And when you make a fish. And march. March. March, march, and jump! Okay, let's have this. Other side. Point to your right. And point to your left. And bow. And hug yourself. And then you can turn around. And let's go. And march. Dance. And march. Jump and jump. And big bow. Okay, kids, get ready to pose. And 1, 2, 3, and pose. Good job, okay, kids. Let's all sit down in the floor in 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Good job. Tayo lang dito na ang surprise box ni Lana Jan. Okay, kids, are you excited for the prize? Okay, kids, when I count down from 3, you will all shout. Open, kids, okay? Get ready. In 3, 2, 1. Open! Come on, kids, get your balloons. Yan, okay, kids, pag kami balloons na po, let's all sit down and raise your balloons. Ayan, ang tayo kayo isa. Okay, kids, let's all sit down on the floor and raise your balloons para makita ni Ate Ivy yung mga wala kang balloons. Ate Ivy, may isang balloon. Okay, kids, come on, let's all sit down on the floor. Isa pa, Ate Ivy. Okay, kids, come on, sit down on the floor. At I need yung balloon. Ayan, okay, kids. Let's wait for the kids now. Mommies and daddy, let's go. We will have a great picture. Okay, kids, come on. Wait for the balloons tapos. Pag sinabi ni Kuya Eman Kids Suna, you will all shout. Okay, kids? Okay, kids, wait for the balloons now. Come on, let's practice. In 3, 2, 1, Kids Suna. Okay, kids, this time gusto ni Kuya Eman yung mas malakas. Mommy and daddy, get ready for your phone and we will have a good picture. In 3, 2, 1, Kids Suna! 1 more time, 3, 2, 1, Kids Suna! Wow, good, kids. Okay, kids, sit down yan. May tatanong sa inyo si Lala. Then what is that para sa'yo? Okay, kids, gusto nyo na ba mag-birthday party dito sa Kenzuna? Yeah, because mommies and daddies out there, we have a birthday bucket list for you. For more information, don't hesitate to ask our friendly partners and we will happy to assist you. Okay, kids, what's that para dyan? Ayan, nag-enjoy na po ba kayo sa games? Yeah, at this time, it's time to say goodbye na kilala sa atin. Okay, kids, let's all stand up. And let's wave goodbye to Lalachan. Bye, Lala! Ayan, you will now go back to your favorite place here at Kitsuna. Sa lahat po na gusto magka-picture, let's go. Doon na po tayo sa may GoPro area.
Hanapin mo to, ha? Tatago mo lang, ha? Mami, wag ka titin.
Good afternoon, Parang President Miss Michelle Sario. Kindly proceed to the director of the event. Parang President Miss Michelle Sario.
Lamil! Kid, picture kayo. Uy, po kayo doon sa ano. Ah, na-stuck